Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So now I need to discuss mental math problems. At first you should get ready everyone. And basically this chapter is that wall problems given here. So I know that you can do it also because you did before this type of problem. In your math books this type of problem is there, so many problems are there. Okay. But you should solve it mentally, that is the main thing here, because these are what? These are mental maths, so you should solve it mentally. And RAB work also you have to do in right hand side, that is the main thing. Okay, so now let's start everyone. Today we'll discuss what exercise 54. Okay. So see, first question is telling here 2010 minus dash equal to 220. Very easy question. What to do, sir? 2010 থেকে কত মাইনাস করলে উইল গেট স্যার 220. What to do? তাহলে 2010 থেকে আমাদের 220 মাইনাস করে দিতে হবে. Clear or not? Clear? So do subtraction, do. You can do it also. 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 2 not possible, borrow 1, 11 minus 2, here 9. Okay, and here 9. So 9 minus 2 what? 7. Okay, clear? And here what will come? 1 will come. Okay, so 1790. Understood? Clear everyone? So see, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 2 not possible, 11 means we are taking 1 from 0. 0 means what, sir? Here 10. Okay, so 10 minus 1 means here will be what? 9. Here will be what? 9. And here 10. 11 is coming here, so 11 minus 2 what? 9. And 9 minus 2 7. And here this one will be what, sir? 1. Clear? So 1790 is coming, so that is the answer. Okay, so answer will be 1790. Clear? Next, multiply 409 by 7. Easy question, you can do it also. Okay, you should try it at this one. Okay, this is homework because easy question, so that's why I won't do. You have to try. If any problem, just you inform me, I will help you. Question number 3 also you can do it. See, because 12 hundreds means, you know that 12 hundreds, 12 after the 2 zeros, minus 20 tens means 20 and 1 0, 200. Just subtract it, we will get what, sir? 1200 minus 200 what? 1000. Okay, easy questions. Clear or not clear? Next, fill in the blanks by using less than, greater than, or less than or greater than. Fill in the blanks. Question number 4. So see, at first read the question. 5000, here given what, sir? 5000 dash, here 4000 into 10 plus 200. Okay, so 4000 into 10 means what, sir? Left hand side, that will leave it because 5000 is there, that won't leave it. 4000 into 10 means what, sir? Means 4 zeros, that means 40,000. Okay, 40,000 and 200 given extra, just add it, means that is what? Big number, because here left hand side given what? 5,000 only. So which side will come? Which side is big number? The right hand side is a big number, so that's why here less than sign will come. Understood? Next given what's a 30 into 15. Do multiplication. Directly we can do it because 15 3 is what, sir? We know that 15 3 is 45. So 30 into 50 means what, sir? 450 will come because 1 0 is there, so 1 0 will come. Okay, at first we are multiplying 15 into 3, 45, and 1 0, so 450 plus 50. 450 plus 50 means how much, sir? 500. Clear or not? 500. But right hand side given have 550. 550. So which one greater? 550 is greater. Okay, clear? Next, question number 5. Question number 5 is telling here, see, 15 tricycles have dash wheels. বলছি 15 ট্রাইসাইকেল মিন্স হাউ মেনি হুইলস থাকে স্যার? কতগুলো হুইলস থাকে? 3টে হুইলস থাকে। একটা ট্রাইসাইকেলের কটা হুইলস থাকবে? 3টে। তাহলে 15 এর কটা থাকবে? 15 into 3, 15 into 3 we know that sir 45. Clear or not? 15 3 is 45, and if you don't know sir, you can do it multiplication. Clear? Next, question number 6. Read the question. A dog's weight 6 kg, 450 gram. বলছে একটা ডগের ওয়েট দেওয়া আছে কত? 6 কেজি। আই এম রাইটিং হিয়ার 6 কেজি 450 গ্রাম। A cat's weight 3 kg, 3 kg 209 gram. Okay, clear? So how many more does the dog's weight? তাহলে কার ওয়েট বেশি? আমরা দেখেই বুঝতে পারছি যে ডগসের ওয়েট বেশি। তাহলে কতটা বেশি স্যার? দ্যাট ওয়ান উই শুড টু ফাইন্ড আউট. Okay, so what to do sir? Here we will do the subtraction. Okay, so do subtraction here. 0 minus 9 not possible. 10 minus 9 what? 1. Okay, so here 4 minus 0 4, and 4 minus 2 2. Okay, 241 gram, and here 6 minus 3 3 kg. So 3 kg 241 gram. That is what? More weight is there. Whose? The dog's weight is more. Okay, so our answer will be what sir? 3 kg 241 gram. Understood? Next, question number 7. Question number 7 is telling here, see, there are 40 students in your class. Okay, বলছে তোমাদের ক্লাসে 40 স্টুডেন্টস আছে। each student is given 2 English books. প্রত্যেকটা স্টুডেন্টকে কত করে দেওয়া হয়েছিল? দুটো করে ইংলিশ বুক দেওয়া হয়েছিল। 2 English books, 1 math books, and 2 Hindi story books. 2 Hindi story books. Okay, so how many books altogether have been given to the students? So see what to do sir. What to do? Just a minute. So one student is getting 2 English books, 1 math book, 2 Hindi book. So total how many books they are getting sir? Every student is getting sir 5 books. Each student is getting sir 5 books. Clear? Clear or not? So total how many students sir? 40 students. So one student is getting 5 books. Okay, so 40 students is getting how many books sir? 40 into 5 books. Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so do multiplication here. 5 4 just are what? 20, and 1 0 will come. Okay, so that means 200 we are getting. 200 we are getting. Clear? So answer will be what sir? 200 books. Clear? Clear everyone? Next question, see, question number 8. The value of 3 100 rupee notes. Okay, the value of 3 100 rupee notes, 3 50 rupee notes, and 3 10 rupee notes. Okay, value we find out. So what to do sir? What to do? Just see, $300 rupee notes means what sir? 300 rupee note means 300. We can count also. Okay, 100 rupee notes, 3 is telling here. So 3 means what? 3 into 100 means 300 we are getting. Okay, 350 rupee notes, 350 rupee notes means how much, sir? 250 rupee notes means 100, 350 rupee notes means what? 150. Clear or not? So that means we are getting 300. After that we are getting what, sir? 150. 150. Why 150? Because 50 rupees notes, what, how many is 3? Okay, and 3 10 rupees notes, 3 10 rupees note means how much, sir? 30. Okay, just add it. So 0, 5 plus 3 8, and here 4. So 480 we are getting. Clear or not? 480 we are getting. Understood? That is the value. Clear? Understood? Next. And here rupees also we can write, rupees also we can put it also, no problem that one. We can put it here, rupees also, no problem that one. Next, see question number 9. Question number 9 is telling here at 28 to the product of 5 and 7. Add 28 to the product of 5 and 7. বলছে 5 আর 7 এর প্রোডাক্ট, 5 7 যা উই নো দ্যাট প্রোডাক্ট মানে মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন, 5 7 যা হাউ মাচ স্যার 35, 35 এর সঙ্গে আমরা কি করব 28 অ্যাড করে নেব। ওকে, সো ডু এডিশন হিয়ার, 5 plus 8 13, 5 plus 8 what, 13, 3 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 63. Okay, so answer will be what, sir? 63. Okay, clear? Next, question number 10. I reached school at 10 a.m. I reached school at 10 a.m. আমি 10টার সময় স্কুলে কি করলাম, পৌঁছেছিলাম। My teacher arrived 40 minutes later. 40 মিনিট পরে আমাদের টিচার কি করলো, পৌঁছালো। So at what time did my teacher arrive? Very easy question. বলছে তুমি 10টার সময় স্কুলে পৌঁছেছিলে, কিন্তু তোমার টিচার পৌঁছেছিল কটার সময়? আফটার 40 মিনিটস, 40 মিনিট পরে হচ্ছে পৌঁছেছে। তাহলে ইজিলি আমরা বলতে পারি স্যার, ইজিলি কী হবে, 10:40 আসবে। ক্লিয়ার আর নট? 10 এর সঙ্গে আমরা কি করব, 40 অ্যাড করে দেবো। দ্যাট মিনস স্যার হোয়াট, 10:40। জাস্ট আ মিনিট। So answer will be what, sir? 10:40. Okay, 10:40 a.m. because morning time is telling here, already am given in the question, so that's why. Okay, so answer will be, sir, what, 10:40 a.m. Okay, so these are the questions. I hope clear, you understood. So if any doubt, any queries, any problem, so you can inform also, no problem that one. So but you have to practice it, and after that you have to submit, practice and submit your work. Okay, practice and submit your work. Okay, clear? So what is your homework, sir? 54 and 55. 54 already finished, 55 you have to try it. So 2 chapters I am giving, 54 and 55. You have to practice it and show me, and even a doubt you inform me, I will help you. Clear? So that's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, have a nice day.